that shit.
Yeah. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. Upper radiator hose change. Fun. Some gloves, because that's what we do. And got some orange one over here. And so up here is the vent hose. It became deteriorated, and a bunch of pink graffiti came off. Pink crap. And here's the new one. So we gotta get the old off and the new on. And that's what you do. First, there's this grommet here. Gotta get that off. Alright, squeeze this right here and pull off. There. And don't forget to put a pan underneath of red goodness. So unhook that right there. Oh, okay. I'll break the line. Okay, what I did was I cut off the hose. It was blurry a little bit. Alright, so we're the battery. And then go down here. There's this connection thing. You squeeze that or break it, and then you'll be able to loosen that hose from that. And then you can, oh, come on, focus. There you go. Now you get the pliers. You can reach underneath the battery. At least the video I watched. You can grab it. Of course, he's gonna do what I did. And edit it. Alright, so I went in from the top. And I was able to grab a hold of the whatever it's called. Alright, down there I had to cut the crap out of it. As you can see, it's sliced to death, and there's still a part on there down there. Alright, we got the hoses off. That's the hose. I use the pry bar and the I cut the middle part, which is right here. I cut it with a knife, a serrating knife, and I was able to move clamp this way, so I was able to pull it off. Thank you, assistant. Our installation is reversal of removal, and we're going to start putting clamps on. That's the fun part. We're going to do that, and then once we get the clamps on, then we can start hooking it up. And I disconnected the battery because I was being Mr. Sparky. What was that? Oh, it's fun ever. Oh. There, you pull it in. There you go. Yeah.
There you go.
Perfect. Alright. Okay, so we filled up the reservoir right there to the full line, and you keep having to add. So this is with it off. You keep having to add it because it's got to go through the hose line, the coolant, and then right now it's burning off it's heating up and burning the excess chemicals and stuff. But so I turned it on, and of course it took a few times because the battery is disconnected and the computer system has to reset and all that crap. So I'm just gonna let it run for a little while and burn off all the chemicals, and just keep checking the full and low level. Make sure it's not, because it'll use a little bit and go down, but you want to wait. And yep. Alright, make sure you collect all the nastiness down there. Waves, see those waves? Waves. There's some quantum physics right there called the waves. Wave particle duality. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this side panel off. To if you have a rattle, when I'm driving down the road, this paneling, this part of this center console will rattle. It'll make this annoying rattle sound. So I'm trying to get to the bottom of it. But look, I pretty much just pulled out this. There's all these little connectors. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and it hold on, let me get this. Okay, it goes like that. So those things just push. You just push that in there. It goes in there, and you pull that out. You just pull it out, or pull it right out. See where it connects? It connects right in there. But so just pull it out, and I was tightening these screws up right here. Try to get the rattle to go away. We'll see if it went away or not. But I looked up this plastic part right here. I looked up the number back here. Right there's a number 58834-0R010. Number 2, whatever. I looked that up, and I put zeros, not O. But it was like $85 from the dealership. They want to charge you $85 for this sculpted piece of plastic with the specialized tabs. $85. Yeah, right. I ain't paying that. But I mean, this part's not broken. It's perfect. I mean, it's good. It's just that this rattles. Somebody had to put a piece of padding or some type of cloth or something inside here to prevent it from rattling, because it'll rattle. It's just rattling. So I guess this video would be how to prevent or how to inquire about rattling noises in your center console in your Toyota RAV4, which it gets pretty annoying because you're driving. Oh, this is the best place for to put your chapstick, because it's not used. I don't need that. So you just put it right in there. It's perfect. If you have chapped lips, you just take that out. Anyway, so it's just this little side panel is. They want to try to charge you $85 to buy it. Ridiculous. Okay, and to put it back, you just line it up, just put it there, just push in, it snaps right in. It all should, there's a bunch of snaps on here. See, it just snaps right in. That's how you put it, that's how you install it. And to remove it, you pretty much just, you pull it out. It's a pain. You don't want to break it, but it acts like it wants to break. There, you just pull it. It just pops right out. See the tabs, the pink tabs? It'll just pull right out. You kind of have to know the direction to pull it, just kind of towards you. So, there. All right.